Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I've got an unboxing for you today. Let's go ahead and see what was sent. Okay, so this just came in the mail today, so let's go ahead and open this up. We'll go ahead and get our little unboxing knife here and take a look at what we have. Okay, so we have, it looks like a phone case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the Latercase Cyber Edition. Wanted to check out these cases. I keep hearing a lot of good stuff. On the back here it says ultra thin, so it's 0.6 millimeters. Featherweight, weighs 10 grams. Superior texture and 5 times stronger than steel. So let's take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Very nice packaging, very soft, smooth. It looks like we've got a magnetic flap here. Let's go ahead and pull out the case. Ooh, looks very nice. Let's see if there's anything else in the case. Nope, it's empty. Go ahead and put that off to the side. And we have the case. Now it's hard to see because this is a carbon fiber case. Let me go ahead and take this out of the packaging. And so we have our front cover. It has some foam insert to keep it protected while it's shipping. It looks like we've got our cutouts for our camera and our flash. And feels really nice in the hand. Super lightweight. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull the other part out here. And then we have our front cover. And that's got some nice carbon fiber on there as well, matching. And we'll go ahead and put this back in here. And let's see, so I've been using the original Samsung stand case, great case for the Z Fold 4. Let's go ahead and pop this off of here real quick. And pop off our front cover here. Alright. And so we'll just go ahead and line that up. Put that on there. Very nice, like that. And I'm not going to pull off the adhesive just yet. There is adhesive underneath. And there we go. We have our cutouts for our speaker and microphones there at the top. Around the edge is open for the volume and the power button. On the back side, as you can see, we've got our cutouts for our camera and our flash. And on the bottom is open for our speaker, microphone, and our USB-C charging port. Wow, this feels really nice. Super light. Adds really no bulk to the phone. I don't think there's really any bulk to this. Does have some raised edges. Let's see if we can get that into the camera there. Yeah, a bit there is raised. Overall, very nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and just take a look. Opens very easily. No issues there. Looks good. Closes. Very successful. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how much this cost on the Latercase.com website. I believe it was $59. Yep, it's $59. They have different colorways. So they have the gray black, which is the one I have. They have a coffee color. They have a crimson, so if you like the red. a midnight, so that's just completely black, and then they have a willy blue, which has a nice blue tint to it. So different ones that you can choose from. Definitely check them out. They are a bit expensive, but I will be doing more videos to let you know how it holds up. But so far it feels real nice in the hand. It's got a little bit of grip to it, which is nice, and it doesn't add any bulk to the phone, which is even better. Let me know what some of your favorite cases are for your Galaxy Z Fold 4 that you're using. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification, and you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching.